As a digital marketing manager, I specialize in the marketing of products or services using digital channels to reach consumers. My key objective is to promote brands through various forms of digital media with help of digital technology. Digital marketing extends beyond internet marketing to include channels that do not require the use of the internet. I am the forefront of the implementation of various digital projects where digital marketing informs IT decision-making. I manage all digital marketing activities with the goal of driving online trading performance and full website optimization. I am responsible for the management and optimization of digital channels, including paid search, SEO, display, affiliates, paid social, and mobile. Having external stakeholder management skills is essential as I manage a variety of external digital media agencies to create, manage, and run campaigns. I am also responsible for managing, supporting, and developing the digital team. The implementation of digital marketing plan is also one of my responsibilities, along with regular analysis and reporting to senior team. It is paramount that I am proficient in using analytical tools such as Google Analytics, Tableau, and Adobe Analytics, just to name a few. Budgeting and resource planning is also an essential skill set of mine, meaning that I am quite proficient in using Microsoft Excel. I tend to work within a cross-functional team, constantly collaborating with the e-commerce team, IT, UX and UI team, along PR to implement the brand's digital strategy and to identify digital opportunities to support overall business objective. Having a professional qualification in digital marketing from a reputable and accredited institute like the Digital Marketing Institute, along with practical work experience from a digital agency like Digital Bananas Technology, gives me a competitive edge over my peers and increases my employability and earning potential. With over 5,000 success stories and 30 or more new roles secured each month, our candidates earn as high as £850 a day as digital experts using our innovative eWork experience platform.